Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we have come up with a very interesting question for you pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section, and basically we have a question of multiple possibilities for a perfect square. So this sort of questions. So the question here is more or less of a number system and is very a unique one. Okay, so it involves multiple concepts of squares and perfect squares in general. So we'll take a look at the question, and this sort of questions are quite frequently asked in exams like GRE, in particularly GMAT, or your any other master's entrance examination, whichever employ QA section or the quant section. Okay, so it's a very fairly common kind of question. We'll take a look and try to understand the approach involved in the same as well. Okay, so let's take a look. Find the sum of all the positive values of n such that n square plus 101 is a perfect square. Okay, so we need let first let the number, the perfect square. Okay, let the perfect square be represented as x square. Okay, so then what we have n square plus 201 is equal to x square. Okay, this I can write, because see this is a perfect square is given now, so I am assuming this number be x square. So this I can write n square minus x square equal to 001. Okay, so this I can write n plus x, n minus x is equal to, so 1001, let me try and split this up. So 210, yeah, it's a factor of 11, odd and even, so 91. Okay, also 7 and 30. This can be written as 11 into 7 into 30. Okay, now let me represent the same. See, we have two terms here. Okay, one term and two term. So I'm going to be representing this 11 into 7 into 13 into two multiplicative terms similar to this. Okay, so first one, let me just represent the same in this way. Okay, first can be 11 into 91. Second can be 13 into 77. Okay, next can be 7 into 143, and another one, last one, will be 1001 into 1. Okay, this can be written in this way. So apart from this 4, I don't think we have any other way we can write this as a product of two numbers. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So now having said that, now let us do one thing. Let us take each and every number as a whole. Okay, one by one. Suppose I am assuming n plus x is equal to 11 and n minus, no, n plus x should be greater, right? So n plus x is 91, let me assume. Suppose n plus x is 91 and n minus x I'm assuming as 11. Okay, so therefore, so if I am to find n in this regards, therefore n will be, okay, hang on guys, I think I just might have made a small mistake in this regards. See one thing, okay, here x, okay, in this part x has to be greater than n, because n square plus 1001 is equal to x. So this term is essentially wrong. Okay, this I should actually write this as x square minus n square. Okay, so therefore this can be written as, just write this properly. This two terms can be written as x plus n and x minus n. Okay, yeah, now I can write the same. So here now since everything is in terms of x, so I can actually write this Okay, so now if I write, let me take x plus n first case. Okay, x plus n, let me take this as 91. Okay, I'm considering this one. And x minus n, let me take this as 11, because x plus n will be a greater number. Now we need the value of n, so let me just subtract the same. Okay, so if I do that, so twice n is equal to 80, or n is equal to 40. Okay, so this is my first value. Okay, again, if I am go next, I will be taking this one. So x plus n is 77, x minus n is 13. So this will be minus, plus minus. So this will be twice n is equal to 64, or n is equal to 32. Okay, our second value for n, taking x plus n, I'm taking this one now, is equal to 143, x minus n is equal to 7, so minus plus minus, twice n will be 136, or n can be written as 68. Okay, third value of n, and finally x plus n is equal to 1001, minus n is equal to 1, so twice n is equal to 1000, or n is equal to 500. Okay, so these are my 4 values of n. Now what I have to find? Sum of all positive integral values. So therefore sum of positive values will be 500 plus 68 plus 32 plus 40. So 640 will be our answer. Okay, 640. So I hope this question is clear to you, how we came about with the solution of the same and everything. So if you have any doubt, just go through the same. It seemed pretty difficult at first if you go through, but when you try and solve the same, I don't think you should face much of an issue in this regards. Okay, just it's a little calculation intensive and lot of factors to keep in mind as well. Now, with all that being said and done, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us so that we can actually will be more than happy to actually help you out in this regard. Whether it's for BA section, QA, or the LR section, please feel free to connect with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you out as well. Okay. Having said that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. With all that said and done, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.